Most people think conditioning means burpees and box jumps until you puke. You don't have to destroy your joints to get in shape, and this 30-minute workout is proof. When I first started training, I thought conditioning meant suffering. I run 30 minutes every day, then lift, tons of box jumps, all that stuff that looks hardcore. In my early 20s, I could handle it, but it was beating up my joints and draining my energy. Now my training looks totally different. I don't do traditional conditioning days. I lift like a bodybuilder with shorter rest periods, and I walk a lot. That's it. If you're getting your steps in and lifting weights that are heavy enough for 10 to 30 reps, that is conditioning. It's great for your cardio health, your joints, and your energy. It off with dumbbell hammer curls. I aim for 11 reps in my first set and try to match that in the following sets. Myo rep match sets are like doing 11 reps in your first set of dumbbell hammer curls, then aiming to do another 11 reps in your second and third set as well to keep the intensity high. So you won't have to do much sets. You won't have to do five single sets and waste time. Just do myo rep match sets. You're gonna feel the burn. The intensity is gonna be high. The pump is gonna be a 10 out of 10, and you can move on to your next exercise without. Our next exercise was cable single arm curl with a slight lean to target the bicep and ensure a good stretch at the bottom. So make sure you're going down, slow, up, contract and squeeze, lean, get the stretch, bring it back up, squeeze and contract the bicep, stare at the bicep, tell the bicep to grow. You feel me? Then we move on to body weight dips, a challenging move for me, but I managed to get more than 5 reps, which is progress. Moving on to bent over cable rear delt flies, focusing on the form for maximum delt engagement. Guys, I've seen people do it with straight arms, and seen people do it with bent arms. And I feel like the best variation for me to get the delts is to bend my elbows a little bit and really squeeze and feel my rear delts. Following that, I had body weight pull ups, a solid exercise, but considering doing lat pull downs for higher reps next time. Hamstring curls. I don't know how many reps I did, but I just stopped when I felt the burn, right? That's why you gotta prioritize your exercises. Legs is not a priority for me right now, so that's why I put them at the end of my workout. But if they were a priority, I'll put hamstring curls in the beginning and I could lock into the muscle, right? When I have the most energy when I walk into the gym. The best part is this kind of training doesn't wipe me out. I finish my workout and still have energy to take my daughter for a walk, meal prep, actually show up for life. Your workouts should help you live longer for your family, not make you feel broken at 35. If your training is so intense that you can't sleep, can't move, can't be active outside the gym, it's working against you. If you hate burpees and box jumps, you're not lazy. You probably just need a smarter conditioning plan. Try this 30-minute session 2 or 3 times a week. Keep your steps around 8 to 10K a day and watch what happens to your cardio and your physique. If this helped you, subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next.